Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share my Julie Nutting tag, year of Julie Nutting tags, hosted by Donna, who's Donna by Creativity, Shar, who's Sparkling Shar, and Karen, who's Karen Small Crafting here on YouTube. And this month, or February's theme is Valentine's, and this is the doll that I used. I think her name is Tasha. I really love her dress and everything. So I used her. Okay, so I used chipboard. I kind of used recycling chipboard that I doubled up and I glued together, so it's really sturdy. So the tag measures 9 1/4 by 3 3/4. I used graphic 45 paper, and it is from the Le Romantique collection. And I think this paper is the Enamored Embrace paper. And you can see it better here. It's the one with the guy and the girl. So it's more of a romantic tag. I was trying to go for that, and I was going to do a guy, but I wanted to showcase her. Okay, so I added this vellum, if you can see. Let me bring you down a little bit. Maybe I can do, yeah, you see this vellum here? I've had it in my stash forever. It has like champagne flutes on it. I even layered it on her dress as well. So that punch is an old Fisker's punch that embosses and punches out the border at the same time, and it's an oldie but goodie. Let me kind of go up a little bit. So I did a border with that vellum, and I added pockets, and I added some goodies for my partner. I added some lace from my stash, some pearls. This is a bead trim from the Dollar Tree that I cut up and added to to the tag. Here's some pink pom-pom trim that I added. So I colored her up with my Copics, even her skin. Paper pieced her dress. I added some earrings. Can you see that? Yeah. And a little bracelet. Added these pretty rhinestone hearts to it. Then I added these tickets. You know, when you go on a date with your husband or a boyfriend, or you know, you would collect the tickets for your very first time going out to the movies or going to a show, or you know, I mean, I did. I don't know about you all, but I did. And these are little love notes or envelopes. I am making it as love notes. And there's little goodies inside of each one. And then here's a bigger one that I added a garment pin, a charm, and a little bead. And I just love how it slides in and out. It doesn't really take away from the doll because of the vellum. So, but it just adds a little, you know, touch to the tag. I added my finger bow. This is ribbon from the Dollar Tree. I love this. It's a sparkly, it's like a pale pink. It's not, it looks like cream or champagne, but it's really a pale pink color because I do have one that's pinker, um, but it really didn't go with the tag as well. Here is some ribbon and eyelash trim from the Dollar Tree. This is ribbon from Michael's, the really thin ribbon. So I really like how it turned out, and these little red rhinestone hearts are from the Dollar Tree. I wish they would bring back um, that pack of stickers because that was an awesome deal for $1, and I haven't seen them back. Um, and then I added a little pocket of my information. This is the information of the tag swap. So more of that vellum with the punched out edge, and here are some um, rose trim and another pom-pom trim. These really tiny little pom-poms. I really like that. And this is the back of this paper. So that is my tag for February. I hope my partner likes it and enjoys the little goodies. Like she can take it out and use it, or because once you take these out, it's the tag is still pretty. But I thought I would add these in here just to give her a little something extra, and it won't break the bank. You know how the post office is. It went up again when all our packages were delayed, and so they raised the prices again. Anyway, I want to thank everybody for watching. I hope my partner enjoys this tag. I missed last month's tag, and hopefully I'll get back into making them again. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.